Hey, space enthusiasts, welcome back to Mosin Insights, where we explore the wildest stories from the cosmos. Today, we're diving into an out-of-this-world event, a meteorite that smashed through a house in Georgia. And get this, it's older than Earth itself. We're breaking down the incredible details from a recent BBC article. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's blast off into this story. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more cosmic content. On June 26, 2025, a fireball lit up the daytime sky over Georgia and South Carolina, leaving hundreds of people stunned. This wasn't just any meteor, it crashed through a home in McDonough, Georgia, and scientists say it's a 4.56 billion-year-old relic from the dawn of our solar system. Let's unpack the three big takeaways from this mind-blowing discovery. First up, this meteorite is ancient. According to researchers at the University of Georgia, the rock, now called the McDonough meteorite, formed 4.56 billion years ago, about 20 million years older than Earth, which is 4.543 billion years old. That's right, this space rock was floating around before our planet even existed. How cool is that? Planetary geologist Scott Harris, who studied the fragments, says this meteorite is a chondrite, a common type of stony meteorite that formed in the early solar system. It likely came from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, tied to a massive asteroid breakup 470 million years ago. That's like a cosmic receipt from the universe's early days. Second point, this thing hit hard. The meteorite, about the size of a cherry tomato, was traveling at least 1 kilometer per second. That's like running 10 football fields in a second. It punched through a homeowner's roof, ripped through an HVAC duct, and left a dent in the floor. The impact was so intense it sounded like a gunshot and left space dust all over the living room. The homeowner told scientists he's still finding bits of cosmic dust months later. Imagine sitting at home and a piece of the solar system just crashes through your roof. The sound came from three things at once: the collision with the roof, a mini sonic boom, and the impact on the floor. Talk about a wake-up call from the universe. Third, this isn't just a cool story, it's actually a big deal for science. The McDonough meteorite is the 27th meteorite recovered in Georgia, and only the 6th that's ever been seen falling in the state's history. Thanks to modern tech like cameras and, well, an alert public, we're finding more meteorites than ever before. Scott Harris says this used to happen like once every few decades, but now it's becoming more common. Researchers are studying the meteorite's composition to learn more about the early solar system. Plus, understanding how these rocks move through space could help us prepare for bigger, potentially dangerous asteroids in the future. The fragments are now at the University of Georgia, and some will even be displayed at the Tellus Science Museum in Cartersville, Georgia for everyone to see. So, what does this mean for us? This meteorite is a time capsule from 4.56 billion years ago, giving us clues about how our solar system formed. It's also a reminder that space is closer than we think. Sometimes it literally crashes into our homes. Want to get involved? Keep an eye on the sky, report fireballs to NASA, or visit a museum to see meteorites up close. Who knows? The next one could land in your backyard. That's it for today's cosmic adventure. What do you think about this ancient meteorite crashing into a Georgia home? Would you want to keep a piece of space dust if it landed in your house? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow space nerds, and subscribe for more stories from the universe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up. See you in the stars.